UMLA kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP uba Sanbor Shulai hakas potri una pra arjar arpu arula plipat ba yaka Working Women's Hostel ka Badan Harilbong. Yaka teka hostel atay haka jinglot ka balakon syadu ka sauklur bat san paulak tingka. Habakren hanga ni jingalang uba Shulai uloong bakani ka hostel kan longkum ka jingarap ka bakraw yaki kintay ki batray ki bakta hasilong.
I have a meeting with him regarding this. So he called the Urban Affairs Department to prepare the DPR, plan estimate. And he have sanctioned on that special plan assistant for an amount of rupees, 4 crore 50 lakh 39,000 for this auditorium, working women hostel and conference room. In the same year, we have got also the lease agreement also signed for the construction of the then Bishnupur Market, now renamed as Loop Chatsi, and the Dorbar Hall of the Dorbar Shop Loop Chatsi Justice, which we have inaugurated and generated employment to the poor local people a few months back.